Are you ready to take your photo editing to a completely new level? Whether you're a mobile editor, a pro photographer, or just someone passionate about creating amazing visuals, the 400 plus Mix Backdrop Files pack is exactly what you need. How to use it and why it can completely transform the way you edit photos, even if you're working from just your phone. This is more than just a folder of images. This is a hand-picked, premium collection of over 400 plus high-resolution backdrops designed to give your edits professional, dramatic, cinematic impact. Product images or Instagram content. This pack will instantly upgrade your workflow. What's inside? Nature, forests, beaches, rivers, sunset skies, urban, streets, rooftops, grunge walls, skylines, studio and luxury interiors, gradients, designer rooms, marble floors, fantasy and mood skies, cloudburst, dreamy, cinematic tones, texture and grunge, bricks, vintage walls, abstract tones, clean and minimal, solid colors, soft backgrounds for portraits. All files are high-resolution JPG, sorted into folders, ready to use in Photoshop, Lightroom, PixArt, Snapseed, VN, CapCut, Canva, and more. What you get: 400 plus HD backdrop files, JPG, PNG, organized folders by category, zip file download after payment, royalty-free license, personal plus client use, use on unlimited projects, no watermark, price just 499 rupees, only one-time payment, lifetime access. After payment, you'll receive the full pack instantly. Here's what's inside. Nature backdrops. Think lush forests, dreamy riversides, golden hour beaches, and snow-covered peaks. Urban environments, clean streets, rooftops, city skylines, industrial walls, and empty highways. Luxury interiors, beautiful marble floors, soft studio gradients, vintage walls, and designer rooms for bridal and fashion edits. Fantasy skies, magical sunsets, cloudbursts, moody blue skies, star fields, perfect for storytelling and cinematic drama. Clean studio backdrops, solid colors, gradients, and minimalist styles for portrait and product editing. And of course, a variety of grunge, texture, and artistic backdrops that bring life, mood, and depth to your photos. Every file is in JPG or PNG format, carefully organized into folders, and ready to drop into any editing app. This pack is designed for everyone, whether you're a full-time wedding photographer or someone who edits pictures for fun on mobile. This toolkit is built to make your work stand out. It's ideal for portrait photographers, wedding and fashion editors, YouTubers and influencers, freelancers creating content for clients, e-commerce sellers and product photographers, Instagram creators, and Reels editors. Basically, anyone who wants to create better, cleaner, more professional edits, faster. Now, let's talk about what this pack really does for you. First, it helps you replace boring backgrounds instantly. You can take a basic image and drop your subject into a mountain valley, a rainy street, or a golden lit palace. Second, it lets you tell a story, whether it's a dreamy couple shot, a moody black and white portrait, or a fantasy concept. Third, it saves time. No need to scroll endlessly looking for stock backgrounds or set up a physical location. It's all in your library. Fourth, it gives you creative control. Want dramatic lighting? Pick a cloudy backdrop. Want elegance? Choose a marble room. Want a clean profile? Use a soft gradient. Fifth, it improves your learning. This pack is great for practicing shadow placement, lighting direction, tone matching, and color grading. Best part? You can use it anywhere. Photoshop, Lightroom, PixArt, Snapseed, VN, CapCut, Canva, and more. So, if you're tired of average-looking edits, if you want your photos to stand out on social media, in portfolios, or client work, this 400+ Mix Backdrop Pack is your best creative upgrade. It's fast, it's easy, it's powerful, and most importantly, it gives you complete control over your image style, tone, and story. Download the pack now and take your edits from basic to breathtaking. Thanks for listening and happy editing. Pause 400+ Mix Backdrop Files Pack Master Level Editing Kit. Price $499 only. Instant download available in description. Use on mobile and PC. Lifetime access. No watermark. Transform your photos like a pro. Take your photo editing to the next level with the 400+ Mix Backdrop Pack, a premium collection of high-resolution backgrounds crafted for photographers, mobile editors, YouTubers, and creative professionals. From cinematic portraits to viral reels, this pack helps you create professional visuals with zero studio setup.